Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use the Lotus Lantern app. In order to do so, here we are at the Google Play Store, and we're also at the App Store, where you can download the Lotus Lantern app and you can get started with it. Just head over here really quick and you can see for yourself, we've got a little trailer here that will show you how the functionality works, and it's really quite straightforward. Once you have the device, then you can install the app, and then from there you can change the functions on the light strip to whatever it is that you wish. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. If you click on the link there, you can get 60% off your Sintra subscription. And Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that can get to know you and your business and provide tailored insights to give you and your business an edge. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you can get $50 to open up an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.